Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Steve Herman, and if you're into mediumship training, mediumship development, that's the whole purpose of my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in mediumship, smack that subscribe button today. I'm the author of Mediumship Mastery, the ultimate guide, the mechanics of receiving spirit communication, and my new book, Mediumship Mastery 2, Advanced Techniques That Work. And both my books are available on Amazon. But the whole focus, the whole purpose of this YouTube channel is mediumship training. And what I'm going to talk a little bit about today is when you work as a medium, when you develop as a medium, develop your own connection with the world of spirit, because your connection with the spirits is completely unique. You don't want to be a robot. You don't want to be a zombie. You don't want to work like anyone else. Now, that doesn't mean that you don't want to bring through awesome information, a variety of different types of information that will really be of great benefit to the recipients. You want to be the best possible medium you can be, but you don't want to be a robot. Don't limit how you work. Don't limit the content of what you're able to bring through. If you really want to develop as a medium, you need to be able to think outside the box. You need to be able to function outside of the box. Because a lot of mediums, unfortunately, it's like a cookie cutter approach. And I'll tell you this, you can receive very, very, very good training, and then you end up still being a robot. The spirit world doesn't want robots. They use your mind, they use your personality, they use your life experience. And in doing so, if the connection, and to the extent that the connection between you as a medium and the individuals working through you is strong, has been developed, to the extent that you've endeavored, combined with your natural talent, to work on your connection, to discipline your mind, and to allow them, just like if we have someone who's trained with typing, right? They can type all the keys on the typewriter, and what happens? They get the right words. It's the same thing with the spirit world. You pull the strings of the puppet and the puppet moves. Same thing with mediumship. But of course we're part of it. Our minds are part of it. Our mentality is part of it. So you might look and watch other people work and say, my gosh, I want to be just like that person. That's not necessarily bad, but you want to be yourself. There's only one you. How you work as a medium, it's a process, isn't it? It's always, to some extent, incomplete. It's a never-ending endeavor because you're putting energy into it. You're working, connecting with the spirits, and they unfold you. They cultivate the various gifts of the spirit. And even when you've been doing it for decades, I've been involved in this for decades. I'm still a student. I'm still growing. I'm still seeking to expand. Of course, the further we do, the further we go, the more we work with the spirit world, the stronger the foundation is. And the more they're going to be able to do with us. You have natural talent. You have ability. Work with a lot of different teachers. Find out what works for you. Connect with individuals who can mentor you, who you can apprentice with, who you can study and train with, who you relate to, who have something to offer you, who help you to feel enthusiastic about this work, enthusiastic and excited about your mediumship, because that's what you want to be. This is not lethargic. Mediumship is dynamic as a process. Sometimes people who work as mediums, especially people who are novice, they can be very self-critical. They can be down on themselves. They compare themselves to other mediums. They find fault with their work. Well, you always want to examine how you're doing so you can improve, but you want to feel good about who you are and know that you can always do better, that you are just part of the process, because there's a team of loving, knowledgeable specialists in the world of spirit who energetically, mentally, when you put out the thought, when you put out the vibrations, they will connect with you. They will train you and they will work with you, and they will never let you down. You're not a robot. You're living an individual, a soul. And we're connecting with souls in the subtle realm of the spirit world to bring through communications, to bring through healing, to assist individuals both here as well as individuals in the spirit world. So if you've got any thoughts, if you've got any questions, feel free to comment below. Definitely smack that subscribe button, and if I can help you in any way, I'm here for you. So God bless you, and thank you so much for watching my video.